kids who just do not like cleaning your room, say aye. Aye. And all of you kids who like singing songs, you say aye. Aye. I think we got a song for both of you.
Children, we hear you say that work is not for you.
You said it.
But life has got a funny way of having us work when we'd rather go and play.
Sing while you do your chores, forget that your back is sore. The family you love need your strength and your toil.
So I
smile while you brush and groom, rejoice as you swing that broom. Your mom and your dad want the house free of soil.
Try it and we're sure you'll see how much you like things orderly. It's not such a bad routine.
Besides, by then you'll be a comrade of clean. Hey! Sing while you do your chores, forget that your back is sore. The family you love need your strength and your toil. Smile while you brush and groom, rejoice as you swing that broom. Your mom and your dad want the house free of soil.
Satisfaction is guaranteed if you work with lots of zest and speed. Pretend you're a little clean machine,
And then we'll praise you as a comrade of clean.
Work. We love it.
Work!
We love it. You can count on the kids, 'cause we clean when we can.
Work!
We're glad to.
Work!
We're glad to. We won't sleep a wink till the house is spick and span.
Sing while you do your chores, forget that your back is sore. The family you love needs your strength and your toil. Smile while you brush and groom, rejoice as you swing that broom. Your mom and your dad want the house free of soil.
Ah, how inspiring the enthusiasm of youth.
Ah, yes.
Seeing them sing as they work and work as they sing. Right, Pasquale?
That's right. I can sing a whole opera as I clean my room.
Wow, you must have a messy room.
Oh, I do.
Spasiba!